Hey, if your OBS stream is stuttering or lagging, yeah, that can ruin an otherwise good broadcast. The good news is most stutter issues are totally fixable. In this video, I'll walk you through the key settings to smooth out your OBS stream. So let's jump in. First, look at the bottom of OBS and check the dropped frames or CPU usage indicator. This helps you figure out if the problem is your internet, your encoder, or your computer performance. I mean, this step saves a lot of guesswork. Next, try lowering your streaming bitrate. If your internet upload speed isn't stable, high bitrate can cause stuttering. Go to Settings, then Output, and reduce the bitrate slightly. For example, from 6,000 down to 4,000 kilobits per second. If your CPU usage is high, yeah, switch to a hardware encoder. In output settings, choose your GPU encoder like NVENC or AMD instead of software X264. This takes load off your processor. Another big fix is lowering your output resolution or frame rate. Streaming at very high settings can overload your system. In the Video tab, try scaling down to 1080p or reduce FPS to 30, okay? This one helps with unstable internet. In advanced settings, enable dynamic bitrate. This allows OBS to automatically adjust when your connection dips, which reduces stuttering. Also, close heavy background apps like browsers or games running in the background. Yeah, they can eat CPU, GPU, and bandwidth without you noticing. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. I mean, Wi-Fi drops are one of the biggest causes of stream stutter, and that's it. One of these fixes should smooth out your OBS stream and stop the stuttering. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.